Have you ever opened your kitchen cupboard to find water pooling beneath your dishwasher? It's a common issue, but one that needs prompt attention. Hi, I'm here to guide you through the steps to tackle a dishwasher drain leak effectively. First, let's identify the source of the leak. Check for visible water under or around your dishwasher. Inspect the drain hose, clamps, and connections for any damage or looseness. Common culprits include a damaged hose, clogged drain, worn-out door gasket, or simply overloading the dishwasher. Once you've pinpointed the problem, it's time to take action. Start by turning off your dishwasher and unplugging it. Clean up any standing water to prevent further damage. Now you can begin troubleshooting. Tighten any loose clamps, clear out any clogs, or replace a damaged hose if necessary. If these steps don't resolve the issue, or if there's damage to internal components, it might be time to call in the pros. That's where Top Appliance Repair Burnaby comes in. We're ready to help you get back to your daily routine without the worry of water damage. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your kitchen dry and your appliances running smoothly.